Hi my lovelies, it's Nisha. So today I wanted to show you and play with a new Sigma palette called Haze. So Sigma came out with I think 5 or 6 palettes which are called On The Go, and they all have different names and different color theme. So this is Haze. I chose this one because I don't feel I have many mauvey purple palettes. So here it is. I should show you it that way. So I will show you the swatches. I've filmed some swatches in a daylight. I will do a couple of looks and then I will tell you what I think about it.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, dated over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're on the horizon.
Okay, so I am going to do first like this really dark smoky look, and I will start with Petal. I take this one because I've already used it for this, and I'm just going to start in my crease and above, go right to in the corner and blend it upwards. Then shade the outer 7, and I'm going to leave the middle more and less bare so we can put some sparkle on it. So this is one of my favorite looks to do, like almost one eyeshadow smoky sultry look. Now I'm going to go to Vervain and do the same with this darker color with the same brush. That brush blends things unbelievably. That's the Rifa 15. Then I take clean Rifa 16 and just blend out the edges. Now on Rifa 03 I'm going to Vervain. Now on Zoeva 231 I'm going into Petal and just blend under the vein. Now I'm going to put a bit of eyeshadow primer. This one is I think Beauty Bay Eye Base. Just a tiny bit in the middle. Just for this next eyeshadow to stick to it. And I'm going to go into Daydreamer. I might do it with my finger actually. It is still quite dark eyeshadow, but it has this duochrome purple look, so it just stops the look being completely matte. And then on another Rifa 03, I'm going to go to Fanciful and put that in my inner corner. On a wet Zoeva 317, I'm going into Melancholy, which is this dark one, and I'm going to use it as a liner. This just makes your lash line a bit darker, but it is a very soft liner look. And now mascara. On my lips I'm going to use Morphe lip liner in Crush, and this is from Lipstick Queen, my little coupe. Yeah, this is the Rear View Mirror Lip Lacquer in Little Nude Coupe. And this is look one finished. I love those looks, you know how much I like them. The easiest look ever for still nice, effective, smoky look. Okay, I'm going to go and take that off now, and we'll do the second look. Okay, let's do the look 2. I'm again going to start with Petal. I'm going to take another Rifa 15. Start in that outer corner. Just dab it there and then blend upwards. This time I'm not going right into inner corner. Now I'm going to take the vein on the same brush and do exactly the same thing. But this time I'm not going as far with this eyeshadow, I'm going to about here. So I'm darkening the outer 7. I always have a piece of paper or cloth to wipe off the excess eyeshadow if I want to keep blending out. Now on Hulu P66 I'm going to go to Melancholy, which is that very dark one, and that one will go right on the outer V. We're going to make that 7 with it. Now on Sonia G Worker Pro, I'm going to take Fanciful and apply this all over my mobile lid. Going right into here. If you want it very intense, press and drag or wet your brush. I'm going to go back to Melancholy again and make this darker. Blend it out. This is with a 16. Now I'm going to go to Melancholy again with the P66 and I will apply it on my lower lash line. Not right to the inner corner. Then I go back with the Zoeva 231. I go into Petal and blend right under it. Cover all these little wrinkles under there. I'm getting a bit of fallout, so you might want to do this before you do your face makeup. Now I'm going to take a black core liner, any black core liner. This one is my Maybelline, but I think this one has been discontinued. Wing it slightly. I'm going to put it a bit in my lower lash line. Just mostly on the outer. Go back to Fanciful with my Rifa 03 and just fill this space here with that shimmery shadow. Now I'm taking MAC 17 and I'm going to go to Dainty, which is this matte cream eyeshadow, and just very slightly go under my eyebrows. And now mascara, and I might also put lashes on. The lashes I use are the Ardel Demi Pixies. What I do, I just cut off at the end one of these long sections. So this is the finished look. This one is probably my favorite. So what do I think? It is a lovely palette. The quality is reflected in the price. I think this palette is about £24 for 9 shadows. The mattes are really good in here. I love that these three are nice and pigmented and dark. They blend out really nicely. This one is very, very cold. It's almost like a greyish purple. I didn't use it in these looks, but the only way I would use it would be probably to blend out my crease. And if you had dark skin, this would look very ashy on you. So I don't think these shades of purple would be good for dark skin. I think they might look a bit ashy. Now the shimmers, these two, this one is like a duochrome, slightly duochrome. You saw me using it in look 1. It is okay, but it's not very punchy for a shimmer. This one is my least favorite. This is one of those, you know, sort of blackened purples, and it is a shimmer, so I don't know, I just don't like these colors. Now this one is more of a pearly color, really pretty. This one is, you could even use this one in your crease because it is not too shimmery. And now this one that I have all over my lid, this one is really nice but not very punchy. I was expecting these shimmers to be foiled, you know, to have some punch to it, and they don't. But that's fine for some people. I just happen to love these really bright, punchy shimmers. All in all, it's a lovely palette, but you must be a fan of very, very cool looks. This is definitely very cool look. There is no warmth in it whatsoever. So like I said, they've come out with 5 or 6 of these in different color themes. I was very tempted to get the other ones, but the other ones are mostly warm, and I have plenty of warm eyeshadows. So this palette is definitely worth looking at, but like I said, if you're going for this color, you must like very cool looks. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and stay fabulous. Bye.